One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about the bug for the 7030, the change from external expenses and Lyft's fee. What's going on here? But they said it was fixed 2 weeks ago. We saw the problem. Last week, they said it was fixed. This past week, we saw the bug. And this time, it was not on a tipped ride. So this means that their bug is more widespread than they thought.
I haven't sent this to them yet, but they will receive this. And they're good at responding as usual. Clearly. So if you guys are seeing this in your Lyft, so what I'm asking you guys to do, well, I was hoping that the Lyft had fixed the bug because I read you guys the email that they sent, that they said it's fixed. I will assure you, it is only optics. It's only like, it doesn't affect the 70/30. It doesn't affect anything. I'm like, okay, we take your word for it. Thank you, Lyft. We even said thank you. I guess we were premature, maybe? I don't know. So, Lyft, you're going to receive this after the show saying, what? WTF? I mean, anyway, so this guy, so what I'm asking you guys to do now, play a little bit of detective again. I was hoping that we wouldn't have to do this again, that we wouldn't have to get, I wouldn't have to get like 800 screenshots again, because most people misunderstood it, Chris. They were just sending me screenshots, bro. They were just sending me
No. Hold on. A little premature.
Yeah.
Well,
I was
like what you see right here. You have the trip receipt right after the ride is completed. So right after the ride, open up the trip receipt and take a screenshot of that. So what you see like right here. Then let's just go through it. So this is Thursday, 8/21. The passenger payment was $28.62. The estimated external fees was $15.66, and the Lyft fee was $2.95. The driver made $10.01. But if you look at the screenshot that this driver took the following day, which was Friday, 8/22, goes back and checks the receipts again. Again, passenger payment was $28.62. The external fees was $17.82. Actually, in this case, it was broken down, so it showed $17.82 and 50 cents. And then the Lyft fee magically went down $2 to 29 cents.
Okay, so go back to the front, the first one. What was the external expenses on the first one? 15.
So it was
what?
$2.95.
15.66.
Oh, it's
external expenses were
15.66 and $2.95. Yeah, $15.66 and $2.95. And then it went to 29 cents. And
wow. I don't know. I mean, Lyft, what's up? What's happening? Come on now. See, this will affect the 70/30 for sure. This will definitely affect the 70/30. If you do 30 trips like this will definitely affect the 70/30. I don't know. So you're gonna get this. We'll see what happens. So if you guys do it this way, send me all you want. If you guys just send me screenshots, don't send me screenshots, blank screenshots. If you do it this way, click right after the trip ends, 6 hours later, 12 hours later, day later. Click, compare. If the numbers have changed, external expenses and Lyft fee, then send it to me side by side, like this dude did. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah. And then that way we're able to actually see the difference there. So right after the trip ends, sometime later, whether it's a couple hours, a couple days, whatever it might be, but always continually go back and check and then just compare back and forth. And if you keep meticulous records, it'll be even easier for you because you can go in and look at your records and say, oh, this is not correct. This is not the same thing as this one. So that's where you can be like, okay, red flag here, red flag at this one, red flag at that one. And hopefully we can get down to the bottom of this. But yes, it seems like this bug is a little more widespread than they previously thought and affecting more. So the question is, how long has it actually been happening? And if you break it down, how much has its screwdrivers out of the 7030 that they said that they are going to guarantee.
I have screenshots from March that this was going on, not major numbers, but this is actually a few dollars. With the tip, they admitted that there was a glitch with the tip. When the tip showed up, numbers got switched. Okay, got that. That's fixed. Well, what's this one? What's this one? What's this one? This is no tip, nothing.
It was a tip bait. It was a tip bait.
So this is a good question. Question is, which one makes it to the weekly breakdown? Well, I'm thinking, Matt, it's going to be the second one, because that's how they're going to play with the 7030. You know what I mean?
I think that's why people need to also beyond go and figure that out too. So unfortunately, it's going to be a little more detective work. So yes, if you notice the discrepancies, then when you get your report, try going and checking that way, or run the numbers that way.
Send them all to me, guys. Take finally, a screenshot after the trip, go back 6 hours, next day, compare. If it's different, another screenshot, send them to me side by side. Yeah, from a bug to an edge case. Okay, whatever. Well, they're gonna get it today, so you know who you are at Lyft. Well, we're friends.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.